Do you know how to put together a business plan to get more capital for your business? Well, in this training, I'm going to reveal to you everything you need to know to put together a business plan to get maximum funding for your business. We're going to dive in and talk about the 6 reasons lenders want you to have a business plan. We're going to talk about the 5 essentials you need to include in your business plan to get the most money at the best terms. We'll dive into the software you can use to create your business plan. We'll decode things like your executive summary, your company description, and the strategies you're going to use for growth. And I'm going to show you how to use your business plan for way more than just getting money, but actually as a guide to help you grow your business even faster. If you stay to the end, I'm even going to get you access to our funding vault of 27 killer ways to get money for your business. We got a lot to cover, so let's dive in and get started. According to the U.S. Chamber of Commerce, your business plan is your roadmap for your business to accomplish its goals, and it outlines the exact steps you're going to take to actually accomplish those goals. Plus, it's like your short-term resume that's used by partners, lenders, investors, and others who may want to give you money for your business. Now, there's a lot of reasons that these investors and lenders want you to have a business plan. First of all, it shows that you have a general knowledge about your business now and where you're looking to be. It shows that you know what your goals even are. Plus, it shows that you understand things like your customer avatar, your demographics, potential competition, and other obstacles that can stand in your way of accomplishing your goals. It shows that you have a grasp on your financials in the business, and it shows that you have an idea of what you're looking to do financially over the next 1, 2, 3, or 5 years. And it basically summarizes that you have the knowledge as an entrepreneur to understand the current landscape you're operating in and exactly what you need to do to build the business that you're trying to build. There are 5 main components you're going to include in your business plan, the first of which is your introduction. Now, there's 3 sections in your introduction: the executive summary, the description, and the strategy section. Now, executive summary is basically just a summary of your overall business idea. What is it your business is going to do? Now, description actually gets into more detail. It talks about what problem you're going to solve, what products and services are you going to sell, what is your business actually going to accomplish. These are the sections that really get people fired up about your general idea. Now, the strategy section is how you're going to do it. This is where we talk about where you're going to be located, how many employees you're going to have, what's your marketing plan, what's your ramp-up plan, how are you going to take your products and services to market. Now, if you've got this right, somebody's going to look at this section and get really fired up and excited about your overall idea. Next, it's time to get into research. The research section of your business plan is also called the market analysis. And with the market analysis, this is where we look at 2 different groups. We look at your customer analysis and we look at your competition analysis. So in your customer analysis, well, this is where we figure out the basic demographic information of your customer. Who are they? Where are they? What are you going to do to solve their actual problem? Now, if you got them to bite in your description section, this is where you set the hook. This is where we talk about who it is we're going to serve and how we're going to solve their problem. Next, we look at the competitor section of your business plan. In the competition section, we're really looking at who your competitors are. Are there already competitors in that space? How big are they? How many are there? Is there room for more? And most importantly, what are you going to do to differentiate yourself and stand out from those other competitors? The third section of your business plan is known as the planning section, and there's 2 different aspects to the planning section. First, we look at your actual plan for development and design, and second, we look at your actual plan for operation and management of the business. So when we look at development and design, this is basically from the very beginning to the finish, the life cycle of your customer. How do you get customers? How do you service customers? How's the entire process going to look like of you actually getting and servicing those customers? Really, if we look at the strategy section of the business plan, this is just the roadmap, the more detailed version of that strategy section. Next, we look at operation and management. This is just what it sounds like. Who's going to operate and manage the business? Are you going to be the one person that's operating everything? Are you going to have teams under you? Are you going to have other C-level or other owners involved? How many managers are there going to be? How many teams are there going to be? This is your best guess of the actual structure of who and how the business is going to be operated and managed. Now, once you have this section done, it's time to start moving into the financial section. The 4th section of your business plan is the financial section. And in the financial section, we really dive into 2 main areas. First, what money do you have right now? How much do you have? Where did that money come from? And how do you plan on using that money to actually grow your business? Next, we look at what money you need. Where are you going to get the money from? How much money do you need? When you get money by raising capital, what are you going to use that money for? This is also the section where we are including projected financials. It's a really good idea to give up to 5 years of projected financials. What kind of revenues are you going to generate year 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? What kind of profits are you going to generate? All of that information is in this section. This is where anybody that wants to invest in your business can see how wise you are with the money you have and how wise you're going to be with the money you're going to get. Now that brings us to the final section of your business plan, the appendix. The appendix is the final section of your business plan, and it's not oftentimes required, but it's definitely recommended by a lot of lenders, investors. Even the SBA recommends you include an appendix section. Now the appendix section is kind of where you put all the overflow. It's where you put all the validation, the proof, anything extra that supports the overall business plan. So this is the section where you may include personal credit reports or your business credit report. This is where you'll include your resume, your background information, pictures of the actual product, letters of references that you may have. It's where you'd include trademarks that you already have, patents that you already have, legal agreements that are already signed, contracts with potential future customers. Anything you have that will support the overall business plan can be added to the final appendix section. Now you know all 5 sections to include in your business plan. The next thing you want to do is put together a good presentation. Look, it's not enough to just be able to answer questions to investors and lenders about your business plan. You want to have a presentation ready to go, and hopefully you're given the opportunity to present these to them. And you also might look into software that makes this easy for you. Software like LivePlan can help expedite this process. There's a lot of softwares out there, but LivePlan is the one that I found to be the best. Now, you want more cool ways to get money for your business? Well, visit us online at creditsuite.com/27 ways. At creditsuite.com/27, the number 27 ways, you can get 27 ways to access money for your business. And make sure you give us a call for your free business credit and funding consultation. On that consultation call, we will help you get your business credit reports for free, give you tips and tactics to help you build your business credit. We'll go through a fundability assessment to see the things that you need to fix to make yourself more fundable. And we'll talk about all the financing you can qualify for right now. Look, you might be able to qualify for loans and credit lines and not even know it. So in this consultation call, we'll go through all of that with you at no cost. You can get your free consultation by giving us a call at 877-600-2487. That's 877-600-2487. Email us info@creditsuite.com or schedule your consultation at creditsuite.com/consult. We look forward to helping you get more money to grow your business.